Cricket now, Marlon Samuels once again found himself on the radar of the ICC Anti-Corruption Unit after he was charged earlier this week for breaching 4 codes for participants of the Abu Dhabi T10 League. However, as we hear in this report from Jerome Foster, there could be a light at the end of the tunnel for the former West Indies batsman.
Marlon Samuels was given 14 days to answer to the 4 charges by the ICC on behalf of the Emirates Cricket Board. Failure to do so would result in him waiving the entitlement to a hearing, admitting to the offences and accepting the possible sanctions. The offence stems from what the ICC said was Samuels failing to disclose to the designated anti-corruption official the receipt of any gift, payment, hospitality or other benefit that was made or given in circumstances that could bring the participant or the sport of cricket into disrepute. Despite the fact that Samuels didn't take part in the competition in 2019, Queen's Counsel Ralph Thorne says he would still be captured under the current code.
The code itself says that when a person ceases to be active, you can invoke the code against that person up to 2 years after he ceases to be active. That is a limitation. You see, you can't use the code against a person indefinitely. The code intends to pursue participants. And as I've told you before, a participant is somebody, even if he is not on the field of play, as long as he's connected to the team, he is a participant.
One particular accusation could be a stumbling block according to Thorne.
They would have to produce evidence from the persons who gave him the benefits. And if they produce evidence from the persons who gave him the benefits, well, he starts out at a disadvantage, because that would be pretty compelling evidence.
But would Samuels' track record of being suspended by the ICC in 2008 work against him?
Generally, in a court of law, you cannot, during the course of a hearing, use a previous conviction or previous penalty against the person. That is considered to be prejudicial. In matters such as this, in disciplinary hearings, and if you're using this code, they are allowed to do it, because this code is not the ordinary criminal law.
But the self-proclaimed icon could still see some light at the end of the tunnel.
Has he played international cricket within the last 2 years? That's the first thing I'm looking for. Has he played domestic cricket, and that is to say regional cricket or any cricket under the auspices of the ICC? Has he played any cricket under the auspices of the ICC, whether it's international cricket or domestic cricket or one of the T20 leagues? Has he done that within the last 2 years? If he hasn't done that within the last 2 years, my first argument would be that the code does not extend to him.
Samuels last played an official match in December 2018 before officially retiring in 2020. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.